Hello, welcome to CookingBoom channel. Today I want to show you two methods for making French fries, and at the end we'll compare them and see which one turns out better. Peel and chop the potatoes for however much French fries you want. Then divide the potatoes into two parts. One part for the first method and the other for the second method that I will mention at the end of the video. Put the potatoes into the water and let them soak for about half an hour. After about half an hour, drain their water and put them in a colander to drain completely. Now bring a little water to a boil in a pan and put the potatoes in this boiling water. After about a quarter of an hour, when the potatoes have softened a bit, drain them and put them in a strainer. Put the potatoes in a dish, and once they cool down a bit, add some olive oil or any oil you want. Massage the potatoes with oil so it gets absorbed. Then I place them inside special parchment paper for fries. Now let's move on to the second part. Put the potatoes in the air fryer, and if you don't use a special paper, it's fine. Just place them on the air fryer. I set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and wait for the potatoes to cook. The first potato is one that only has olive oil and is put in the air fryer, and the second one, which is a little darker, is the one that is first boiled and then put in the air fryer. I add a little salt and pepper to both potatoes. And let me tell you something, that all the effort that we put in soaking the potatoes first and then putting them in the oven didn't really make a difference, and both potatoes turn out about the same. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to write your opinion about how you make potatoes. I'll see you until the next video.